Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Denton County and north central Texas, Cook County and north central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Sunday at 1:11 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Cook and northwestern Denton counties. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing and will worsen as additional heavy rain enters the warned area. Turnaround